Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Instagram feed in chronological order. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm on my iPhone. You can do the exact same steps on Android as well. I'm going to open up Instagram. And what Instagram does is it chooses which post it thinks you'll be the most interested in. So if you scroll down and go through all of your posts, go to the older posts, all of that stuff, it will show you the order that it thinks you'll have the most engagement with, but it won't show you all of those posts in chronological order. But there is a trick to force the Instagram app to show all of them in chronological order. And to do that, at the very top left here, you can see the Instagram logo, and we will tap on that logo. And now it gives us the option of following or favorites. So we can tap on following here. And what it will do is it will update a list of all of the accounts that we follow, and it will show them in chronological order. So you can see 16 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago, 31 minutes ago, 41 minutes ago, 53 minutes ago. So it's walking through from the most recent Instagram post to the oldest. And another nice thing about this is it doesn't show you any ads or any of those suggested posts. It'll just show you a chronological list of all of the posts that your following list has posted recently. So you can just engage with the people that you want to engage with in the accounts you want to see. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.